Welcome to Lesson 4 of our series on Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. Today, we are addressing an important question: why learn AI? This lesson will explore how AI is not just a technological innovation, but a transformative force across various sectors. Let's dive into why AI is so crucial in today's world. Transformative technology. AI is revolutionizing multiple industries by enhancing efficiency and introducing capabilities that were once thought impossible. From healthcare to finance, AI's impact is profound, reshaping how we approach problems and solutions. Economic impact. AI is a major driver of economic growth. According to a report by PwC, AI could add up to 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. This growth comes through the creation of new jobs and the transformation of existing ones, highlighting AI's role in future employment landscapes. Competitive advantage. For businesses, leveraging AI offers a substantial edge. By automating processes, enhancing customer experiences, and speeding up innovation, companies are not just surviving, they are thriving in a competitive marketplace. Turning to career opportunities. Learning AI opens the door to numerous career possibilities in a rapidly evolving field. The demand for AI skills is skyrocketing, setting it apart from the other tech areas which are seeing a more mixed employment landscape. Why search for AI jobs? First, high demand. AI professionals are in a great demand, with industries seeking skilled individuals to lead the charge in innovation. Lucrative salaries and benefits. Careers in AI are among the most rewarding, offering lucrative salaries and comprehensive benefits. Diverse career opportunities. The skills you acquire in AI are capable in numerous sectors, from automotive to healthcare, finance to entertainment. Professional growth. AI is a field that encourages continuous learning and development, keeping you at the forefront of technological advances. The importance of AI extends beyond its technical capabilities. It is a catalyst for economic and professional growth. As AI continues to evolve, the opportunities for those who understand and can innovate with AI will only expand. So thank you for joining today's lesson. I hope this discussion inspires you to consider the diverse and impactful opportunities AI offers. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we will explore AI applications in everyday life. See you in the next lesson.